Hi, Stephen Cruz here with mymortgagebroker.com. I get questions from clients all the time, and I thought I would create a series of videos to answer these questions. This question came up with a client who needed to have parents co-sign. What is my co-signor's responsibility when they sign on the mortgage? Whether you need a co-signer or not, it's important to understand what it means to be a co-signer. First of all, if you are arranging financing with someone else for a boyfriend or girlfriend, spouse, etc., each of you are co-signors. Each co-signer, in the eyes of the lender, will have 100% responsibility to make payments on the mortgage, no matter what arrangements you may make amongst yourselves. Here is an example to clarify. Let's say there are 4 people purchasing a home. Person A, Person B, Person C, and Person D all sign on the financing to purchase the home and are all listed on the title. The total debt or the mortgage is $100,000 and the payment is $1,000 per month. Person A, B, C, and D all agree among themselves that each of them will pay $250 per month for this mortgage. Person B then wants to finance something else on his own. When Person B applies for financing of the new item thing, the lender will assume that Person B is responsible for $1,000 per month for the $100,000 debt that would show up on that Person B's credit report. This payment would be a factor in determining the ability of Person B to qualify for a new loan. The lender doesn't consider side arrangements when qualifying the new debt. Let's say that Person C loses his job and can't pay $250 a month anymore. If Person A, B, and D don't make the full payments of $1,000 per month for the mortgage, then the mortgage will go into arrears and the bank will start to foreclose on the property. This will affect the credit report for all the 4 borrowers. Let's say Person A, B, and C get into a dispute with Person D and stop making payments. If Person D doesn't make the full payments, then the mortgage will go into collection or foreclosure, and this will affect the credit report of all 4 borrowers. As a co-borrower, you are 100% responsible for maintaining the mortgage payments as agreed by you and the lender. If payments are missed, fall behind, or aren't fully paid, then your credit report will be affected. The payments that you are responsible for will affect your ability to qualify for another debt when you make an application for debt. If you have any questions about setting up a mortgage for a home purchase or for other mortgage financing needs, then connect with me at mymortgagebroker.com. Talk to you next time.